Semaphores are used to for what purpose? For synchronizing critical resources to prevent deadlock. Here, our main task is preventing deadlock. Okay, semaphores are used to prevent deadlock. Semaphores are implemented to prevent deadlocks using wait and signal operations. First of all, a semaphore is a variable or abstract data type used to control access to a common resource by multiple processes in a concurrent system, such as multitasking operating system. Okay, and semaphore is simply a variable. This variable is used to solve critical section problems and to achieve process synchronization in the multitasking environment. Producer consumer problem. Producer consumer problem can be solved by using semaphores, only by using semaphores. And this problem, producer consumer problem, can be solved using semaphores by using counting semaphores and binary semaphores. And next question, a relationship between processes such that each has some path, that is critical section, which must not be executed while the critical section of another is being executed. What we know the relationship? It is mutual exclusion. Mutual exclusion, a relationship between processes such that each has some path, is known as mutual exclusion. Concurrent processes are processes that what a concurrent process will do, that mainly overlap in time. Okay, at a time the process are going to done, that is concurrent process. A bounded buffer problem. Bounded buffer problem is also known as producer consumer problem. A bounded buffer problem means here we have 3 points that we have to remember. The problem describes two processes, the producer and the consumer, who share a common fixed buffer as unique. And the second, producer's job is to generate data, put it into the buffer and start again. At the same time, the consumer is consuming the data, that is removing it from the buffer one piece at a time. And third one, the problem is to make sure that the producer won't try to add data into the buffer and it's full, and the consumer won't try to remove data from an empty buffer. So bounded buffer problem, this is going on. It is also known as producer consumer problem. In an operating system, indivisibility of operation means of what? Indivisibility means processor cannot be preempted. Processor cannot be preempted is known as indivisibility. Indivisibility of operation refers to the irreducibility of an operation. That is, either an operation will be executed completely or it will not be executed. So we can say that indivisibility of operation means processor cannot be preempted, because a non-preempted operation is the one which is either not executed, but if its execution starts, then it can be interrupted until it executes completely. Dining's philosopher problem is of what? It is a classical IPC problem. Classical IPC. IPC means inter-process communication problem. Dining philosopher's problem. And the hardware implementation which provides mutual exclusion is, it is test and set instruction. Mutual exclusion is a property of concurrency control which is instituted for the purpose of preventing race conditions. It is the requirement that one thread of execution never enters its critical section at the same time that another concurrent thread of execution enters its own critical section. Okay, which refers to interval of time during which the thread of execution accesses a shared resource, such as shared memory. And usage of semaphores for solving critical section problems sometimes result in busy waiting. Okay, which of the following offers an effective remedy to avoid wastage of CPU cycles? Here the effective way is block and wake up. Whenever some process does not able to enter critical section due to mutual exclusion, then it is put into blocked state, due to which CPU time is not wasted and busy wait can be avoided. And if the process comes out of critical section, then that process wake up one of the process from blocked state. Mutual exclusion problem occurs when among processes that share resources, then mutual exclusion problem will occur. Okay, but only one process can access at a time. Critical section problem, that is CSP, refers to what? That is no sharing of resources. Critical section problems occurs between processes that share resources. Okay,